Hi, today we're going to show you what's inside our Spray Mop Cleaning Kit. Firstly, let's check out what's inside the box. First thing we find is our wood floor cleaner. Now this is a concentrated formula. It's pH neutral, bleach and ammonia free, making it perfect for your hard wax oil surfaces. What else have we got in here? Now this is our 4-piece mop, which is very easy to assemble. We've got the base section with our reservoir, middle section, the handle, and our base. The base comes with a microfibre pad, which you can remove and clean as required. Now, you will need to put this on a surface to force this first component on. It just needs to click into place, so a little bit of effort. There we go. The next one we'll put is the middle part, and we're just going to align the hole with the little white press stud there. And you'll hear that click into place. And then we're going to apply the handle. Once again, got our hole, and that clicks into place. Okay, so super easy to use. We have a spray handle here. Once we've filled up the reservoir, the water with the cleaning product comes out of the bottom, and then we just use the mop as we would any other mop. Now, how do we fill the reservoir? That is very easy. We simply pull this out, unscrew the lid. We're going to put 700 mils of water in here, and then 1/3 of a capful of our floor concentrate cleaner. Pop our lid back on, reinsert the reservoir, and it's ready to go. Now, where can we use our wood floor cleaner? Well, as the name suggests, on any wooden floor surface, especially formulated for hard wax oil surfaces, but we can actually use it on tiles, vinyl, laminate, any of those types of surfaces as well. And here's a little tip for you. If you've got a spray bottle handy, you can pop a dash of this in with some water and use it on any of your glass surfaces. So think your bathroom mirrors, glass balustrades. Because of its streak-free formula, it's ideal for those. So happy cleaning!